If you are confused about what to write as questions or answers, then Microsoft Forms actually suggests you to write out questions and answers as well. So for that, you can see that there is this question suggestion option right here. So here I have a bunch of questions, and if I were to go around and click right here, then what happens is that you can see that it recommends out questions based on the previous questions that I actually have. So you can see that it recommended name of company, organization, or which industry do you operate, and so forth right here, and even gives you an option on what type of question it should be like. For example, who are your target customers right here, and you can see that these are the different suggestions that it came up with. So let's just go around over here, and I'm going to click on how satisfied are you with your experience of the most recent installation right here, and so forth. Let me just go around over here. What is the selling power that gives your company? And there's, do you think your product or service is affordable or expensive? So let's say I want to use this. I'm just going to click on that, and then what I can do is I can simply add in the selected right here. You can select out multiple questions as well. So I'm just going to select out who are your target customers and click on add selected. So once I do that, you can see that both of the questions has been added in along with the answers, and you can go around and then add in more options over here as you want as well. So you can go around, add in other options as well. Well, let me just go around and delete all of these options right here, and let me just go around, delete this out as well, and I'm going to add in an option over here, and let's say I'm just going to go around and say cheap right here, just like this. So that is what I have right here, and it didn't actually go around and suggest me anything. So let me just go around and say expensive right here, just like this, and I'm going to go around over here and drag it to the top. So in this case, there was no suggestion for the answers. If I were to go around over here on the bottom, it says who are your target audiences, target customers right here. So it's individuals, companies, organization right here. So let me just go around over here and select these out, add in an option, and say organization right here, just like this. So you can see that these are the suggested questions right here. Let me just go around on to add new, and I'm just going to go around and say something like, would you like to work with us, just like this. So once we do that, you can see that there is a suggestion for the answers as well. So you can see that this question has a likely answer of yes, no, and maybe. So you can just go around and click on add all, and they'll be added on right here. So you can see that that Microsoft Forms suggests you answers and suggests you questions based on the questions that you have, so that it's easier for you to think about questions and then utilize them for your forms. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.